Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see example 8.5, that is there in page number 108. The question is that a train starting from rest attains a velocity of 72 km/h inverse. It can also be said as 72 kmph in 5 minutes. Assuming that the acceleration is uniform, find the acceleration. This is the first bit, and the second bit is the distance travelled by the train for attaining this velocity. Now here you do understand that the train is starting from rest. By observing this sentence, this line, train is starting from rest, means whose initial velocity is 0. That is what it is given indirectly. When an object starts from rest, its initial velocity will be 0. So here let us note down that given initial velocity of the train, or simply we can write initial velocity denoted by u, that can be written as 0. I will add the units. Okay, after writing this I will add the units. Here you can write the reason, since it starts from rest, or it is started from rest. Now final velocity that is v, that is what it attained, 72 km/h. Now here let us convert km/h into meter per second. So 72 into, I have told you earlier, when you want meter per second, here you observe carefully, this quantity is the bigger one, whereas this is the smaller one. If at all we want smaller one, we can multiply this number with 5/18. For example, if the given quantity is in meter per second and you need to convert it to km/h, that means the required quantity is the bigger one. You have to multiply with 18/5. And in our earlier videos, I have explained how this 5/18 or 18/5 come while interchanging these units or while converting the units. So you can please watch the earlier videos if you have any doubt in the multiplication of 5/18 or 18/5. Now let us here come back to the current problem. Here this is 18 1 jar 18 and this is 18 4 jar 72. So 4 into 5 is 20 meter per second. Final velocity is 20 meter per second, according to which I am writing initial velocity also in meter per second. Now what else is given here? The time is 5 minutes. Final velocity is noted down. The time is 5 minutes. Now since here it is in meter per second, this is also in meter per second, let us convert time also into seconds. So here time taken to attain this velocity is denoted by t, small t, is 5 minutes. Let us convert 5 minutes into seconds. 5 into, as you know, 1 minute is 60 seconds. 5 minutes is 5 into 60 seconds. So this is 5 6 are 30, so 300 seconds. Now we are asked to find, first bit as find the acceleration. Here I am doing the first bit. Now acceleration, that is denoted by small a, that is what asked here. Let us see the units here. Acceleration units is meter per second square. If it is in meter per second, final velocity also meter per second. If time is in second, then units for acceleration is meter per second square. Now here you observe that assuming that the acceleration is uniform, by catching that sentence, here we will be able to apply any one of the three equations of motion. If an object is moving with uniform acceleration, then its motion can be described using the three equations. Here I am writing the first equation is, v is equal to u plus at. Second equation is s is equal to ut plus half at square. And third equation is 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Using any one of the equations, these bits or this problem can be solved. So here you observe, u is known, v is known, t is known, whereas a is not known. Out of these three, absolutely this first one is suitable. So let us substitute here the values in this formula. So we can write that we have v is equal to u plus at. Let us substitute the known values, in which v is 20 equal to u is 0 plus a, that is what we should find, a into t is 300 seconds. So 300. 0 plus a into 300 is 300a. Let us send this 300 here below is 20. So here what will happen? A is 20 by 300. Let us do cancellation. 0 and 0, they get cancelled. So it is 20 by 30. Let us cancel both the values in second table. 2 1 jar, 2 15 jar. 1 by 15 meter per second square. This is what acceleration of the train. Now here let us see the second bit. Here first bit we got the answer. Acceleration is 1 by 15 meter per second square. Here in this moment, or at this moment, I would like to give you a small clarification regarding the units. Here you observe, children, if at all you want to find a, send this u this side, v minus u divided by t. I repeat, at is equal to v minus u, right? So a equal to v minus u by t. V and u both are in meter per second, by time is in second. Here what you will get? Meter per second divided by time is second. So this is meter per second. This will be s by 1. On simplification, when you convert this division as multiplication, then this will be reverse. It is 1 by s. So it is m by s square. So based on this, I am saying the units of acceleration as meter per second square. Some children, okay, some of them, some of you may be having doubt. Here how sir wrote directly meter per second square, or how I have written. This is how I have written. Here v minus u by t, that is nothing but a. In fact, the definition of acceleration is rate of change of velocity. Final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken. So v minus u by t. Since v is in meter per second, u is also in meter per second, the difference is also in meter per second, divided by time is in second. If you simplify, you will get meter per second square. In some problems, if suppose u and v both are in kilometer per hour, then time is in hour, then the units for acceleration will be kilometer per hour square also. But in this problem it is meter per second square only. Now let us shift to the second bit. Here the second bit is that distance travelled by the train. Now second bit is distance travelled. That is denoted by s. That is what we need to find. Question mark. Distance travelled. Here you see, in these equations, again any one of them can be used. But here where s is there, in the first one s is not there. So let us leave this. In this s is there, in here also s is there. It is up to us or up to you which formula you will select. It is purely our wish. So here let us add the third one. We have 2as is equal to v square minus u square. In fact, If you use second formula also, you will get the same answer. You do not think that we need to use only 3. You can use any one of them. You will get the same answer. So here, let us write 2 as it is into A. A is just now we got it 1 by 15. Into S, let us write S as it is. Into V square, already V value is 20. Let us do 20 square. Minus U square, since U is 0. So 0 square. Now 2 1 jar, this is 2 by 15 times S is 20 square is 400 minus 0. Whether you write it or not, it's not a problem, because 400 minus 0 is 400 only. Now I am going to simplify for us. 400 into, let us send 2 by 5 that side. It becomes 15 by 2. Reverse, reciprocal. So let us do cancellation here. It is 2 1 jar 2 and 2 200s are 400. So here we get S is equal to 15 2 jar 30, again 2 more zeros. So 3000. 3000. What about units? Since distance, it is distance should be either in meters or kilometers. Very rare cases centimeters. Now here you see, find initial velocity is in meter per second. Understand, here it is in meters. Final velocity also meters. Clear? Acceleration also meters. Means I am not saying second square, second all. For your understanding I am saying so. Here meters. So definitely distance will be in 3000. That is also in meters. Is it clear? So therefore we can say that distance traveled S is equal to either 3000 meters, or if you write by 1000, then the meter will become kilometer, or simply 3 into 1000. 1000 meters kilometer, so it is 3 kilometer. You can write in this way also. Right. Now let us add the conclusion here. Therefore find the acceleration. Let us write the acceleration is 1 by 15 meter per second square. 1 by 15 meter per second square, and the distance traveled is 3 kilometers. With this example 8.5 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.